dark secret about money that 99% of people don't even know about. Your whole life you're working a job and trading your time for money. But have you ever wondered, where does money come from? The fact is, banks can print as much money as they want. Actually, cash in the form of paper and coins makes up to only 3% of the money in circulation, while the other 97% is debt. Picture this. Imagine you get a loan to buy a car or a house. The bank gives you the money which didn't exist before. They created it by filling out some paperwork and shaking hands. So when you get a loan from the bank, you get money that's created out of thin air. Now here's why this is important. When the government needs money, they go to a central bank and get a loan just like you do. The central banks give them money that's being created out of thin air in exchange for government bonds. The newly created money floods into the system, so all the money that was in circulation previously, it's worth a little less, and that's called inflation. What? Why am I telling you this? Because while you're working hard and extra hours to make more money, the banks are printing money on demand, making your savings go down in value. Now, what can you do about it? If you don't want your cash to go up in flames because of inflation, focus on creating a secondary income stream.